Good afternoon. It is June 4th, 2025. And today we were mostly working in this broad bull channel that uh, started from yesterday. Really, it's just a range day. Um, Here's a more clear view of the range. And yeah, it's just a range day. And we closed at the bottom of this range. So let's see. Here's how it looks on the daily chart. Just a bear doji. So I would expect some follow through selling, but it's hard to say because we were in this tight bear channel at the end of the day. Um, but it looks like we might have gotten a sell climax. But anyway, so in the overnight, we rallied up to resistance, sold off to support, and you get this double bottom higher low right here. So I could understand why someone would want to take this, and that does end up being a very good entry. And I kind of like this one too. This looks like it's off of a trend line. I mean, eventually you can confirm that it's off the trend line. You might not know that at the time, but um, that looks pretty good. Maybe a little aggressive because there's some overlap there, and then you get this higher low too, and then you get this. I mean, this looks pretty good. Problem is, this is a tight. You're working in this tight bull channel. But if you draw it like this, you get a break, move to it, or actually that is a move to a new high, and it's a double top. So you might consider going short there. And really, we're just ranging for a little bit before it just drops. And I think if you're feeling it, uh, I think you're gonna want to take this one. It's a big bear bar. Looks like that might be at a news item though, so you got to be careful. Then we come down to support and we bounce. And this is an aggressive one. This is you got a 9 bar micro channel or so I don't think you want to go long just yet, but I could understand why someone would. And I think if you do go long here, I think you got to try to take profits all the way up here, and that would work. You get a second entry long right here. And that does look like it's off the trend line. So that's a textbook entry for max system. Then you can see we get like a spike in channel right here. And then you get a break, matching low, double bottom. I would consider this one, but really I like this one, that higher low. I like both of them, really. Then we get this bear channel. I don't really see much in here. And then you get a bunch of flip flopping. So there's this sell climax here, and then it bounces, and then we get another tight bear channel here. And this off the you get this break. It's only a slight break, not convincing. Double bottom, and then you get a higher low, and then I didn't even see this one. You get another higher low right there. I like that. I like that entry very much. I don't really see anything else in there. And we don't make it to the top of the channel, and that eventually this bear channel was it was moving, and we kind of form a body gap here when we broke below this bar. This bar couldn't close that body gap really. Um, so this looked like a break to me, but this thing just kept on going. And a way you could play that is we didn't get a gap above the EMA. So you got to be very careful if you're looking for longs down here. And you can see they just kept trapping the longs. So it's Wednesday. We're about midway through the week, and it's looking like some more overlap on the weekly chart. Here's one last look at the daily chart. It's that bear doji. And let's see. And there's one last look at the 6,500 tick chart. So I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.